This practice page is working on having you find the area of shapes that are not squares or rectangles. However, they're still giving you the unit squares inside the shape so that you can find the area multiple ways. So you see the shapes and you see their measurements. We're going to look at the one on the left first. So think of the other ways we can find area. You can count the squares, or we can multiply length times width. However, we've got a whole lot of things here. So when you have shapes like this, you need to cut them. We can cut them into squares or rectangles. There's a couple different ways to do them. I'm going to show you one way to do each of them. So I see a square on top of a rectangle. So I'm going to cut my shape there. And now I have a square and a rectangle. Now, I see this 7 here. I don't need to focus on that 7 because I'm looking for this square. So this width times this length. So I have 3 times 3 equals 9. Okay. Then I'm going to look at this rectangle, right? I don't need to pay attention to that 7 because it's the whole side. And this 5 is only right here. That doesn't give me my whole rectangle. So I need this and this. So 8 times 4. And 8 times 4 is 32. Then I need to add 32 plus 9. And I get 41 centimeters squared. Make sure you have your unit of measurement. In this one, it's centimeters squared. If I wanted to check, I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Okay, so my answer on this one is 41 centimeters squared. So let's look at the next one. It looks like a sideways T. Okay, I'm going to cut this one into 2 rectangles, a tall rectangle and then a sideways rectangle. Again, I've got some measurements that I don't really need to pay attention to. I need to pay attention to my width and my length. Okay, only 2 sides. So I'm going to pay attention to the 9 and the 3. So 9 times 3 equals 27. Then on my other rectangle, again, I need to pay attention to the width and the length. So I've got 6 and 3. 6 times 3 is 18. So then I need to add 27 and 18. Okay, so I've got 45 this time is inches squared. And again, you have this square so you can count to double check. I'm going to count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. And I can still count by 3s if I want. 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45. Okay, so there's my answer, 45 inches squared.